Hey guys, Alex here with 911R and Avant-Garde. I want to go ahead and do a quick video demonstrating how to switch from miles to kilometers. We noticed that in the auction, the bike was photographed in kilometers, which is actually how they come from the factory. And to switch it to miles, it's pretty easy. You go ahead and hold down these two buttons here. Turn the key, keep holding the two buttons, and it's going to head and go to EU. You press the left button, that's button 1. You switch to US, then you hold the right button for at least 5 seconds. Once it says off, that means that it was done successfully. You can go ahead and turn the key off, turn the key back on, and you can see it's actually 2,493 miles on this bike, not 4,000. That was in kilometers. Thank you so much. And if you have any more questions, please leave a comment, or you can go ahead and use the contact seller button. And good luck. Thank you.